Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product group. In this video, we're going to have a closer look at the Modifiers Maintenance Module right after this. The Modifiers Maintenance window allows you to create and maintain a list of condiments and product modifiers. As with the other maintenance windows, the grid area displays the currently defined condiments and modifiers. All fields are display only, and all modifications must be done in the data entry area. A row may be deleted by selecting the row or rows and clicking on the minus or delete button. Rows may be inserted using the plus or insert button, or duplicated using the duplicate button. Changes may be saved at any time by clicking on the save button. Let's insert a new row and look at each of the modifier fields and options. The caption option will determine what is displayed on GoPause and will determine if the modifier is chargeable or not. Select Text is Modifier if you want to define a non-chargeable modifier or condiment. The name entered in the name field will be displayed as a choice on GoPause. If the Use Second Name option has been defined for your kitchen printer, the text entered in the second name field will be sent to the kitchen printer when this modifier is chosen. To define a chargeable modifier or condiment, select Text is PLU or Text is SKU. For Text is PLU, you may enter any existing PLU value in the name field. The product name and product second name, if defined, will be displayed below if the product is found. The product name will be displayed as a choice on GoPause, and if the Use Second Name option has been defined for your kitchen printer, the product second name will be sent to the kitchen when this modifier is chosen. For Text is SKU, you may enter any existing SKU in the name field. In both cases, you may also click on the View Products lookup button to select the product from the list of available products. You may use the product search field above to filter your products and sort the list by clicking on any of the column headers. Double-clicking on a row will link the product to your modifier and close the window. The last caption option, Text is Variable, is used to allow the clerk to enter free-form text when the modifier choice is made. The caption entered in the name field will be displayed as the modifier description in the pop-up list on GoPause. When selected, a Enter Text window will appear and allow the user to enter one or more lines of text. The text entered will be displayed as part of the transaction and sent to the kitchen printer. The Manager Required option will require managerial rights before the user is allowed to choose the modifier. The Print On lets you define if the modifier should be printed on the customer display or any of the printers. The print font can be set for both the receipt printer and kitchen printer. Note that these options are not available for Text is PLU and Text is SKU. GoPause will use the options and print settings defined at the product level. Modifier Import and Modifier Export are also available in this module. Well, that's it for now, but stay tuned, and in the next video, I'll show you how to group these modifiers so we can link them to our products.
Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.